Hello, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to insert bullets in MS Word. It's guys very easy and simple method. One or two steps we can know how to insert bullet in MS Word. Firstly, adjust all like this I am showing you. You need to select all like this. Then click on this home. Then click on this bullets small drop down and select what you need. Then you see this and you change this bullet again, select all, then click on this home tab, then click this drop down and select next. There is. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update.